Hello, friends. Are you looking for the entire knowledge of accurate and complete export documentation and procedures? This course, All Exports Documentation and Procedures, Any Origin, is the right course for you. I am Dr. Vijesh Jain. With my 34 years of practical experience, having worked with international companies in different countries, exporting many products and commodities to different countries, with my practical knowledge and my training experience in this area, I have brought this course for you to get the entire conceptual knowledge about the significance of different types of pre-shipment documents, post-shipment documents, regulatory documents, and understanding complete game of export documentation and procedure, so that you become confident, you are able to impress your international overseas buyers with your knowledge and is willing to give you the export orders. In this course, I have brought in very special exclusive case studies based on my own research and exposure with the practical world, and with so many good examples will help you understand the practical difficulties faced by the exporters. This course is suitable for anyone who want to make an exciting international trade career and want to become a successful exporter. What are you waiting for? Join this course.